In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in Odoo. We'll walk through this together step by step, so you can quickly update your company's currency without any confusion. This is especially useful if your business operates in a different country than the default settings, or if you've recently expanded and need your system to match your primary currency. First, start by logging into your Odoo account using your usual credentials. Once you're successfully logged in, look for the main menu at the top of the screen and click on Settings. This is where most of your configuration options live, including anything related to your company details and financial setup. Inside the Settings area, scroll down until you find the section labeled Companies. In this section, you'll see an item simply called Company, and just beneath it, there will be a button that says Manage Companies. Go ahead and click that button. Odoo will now load a new page that lists all the companies configured in your system. If you only work with one company, you'll usually see just a single entry here. From this list, click on the company whose currency you want to change. That will open the detailed settings page for that specific company. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the right one, especially if you manage multiple entities, because the currency setting applies to that particular company's records. Inside your company settings, stay on the General Settings tab. Here, you'll find a field labeled Currency. This is the main place where you define the default currency used for that company's documents, such as invoices, bills, and other financial records. On the right side of the currency label, you'll see a drop-down field. Click on that drop-down to open the list of available currencies. You can either scroll through the list, or, to save time, start typing the name or code of the currency you want to use. For example, EUR or USD. When you see the correct currency appear in the list, click on it to select it. Once you've chosen your new currency, Odoo will store that choice as the default for the company. Make sure to save your changes if a save button appears, so the new setting is applied. And that's it. You've successfully changed the currency in Odoo for your company.